Hey everyone, it's Ash from Creative Mending, and I'm so excited because I get to do a box opening for my Kobayashi's Dragon Maid Kana-chan figure. So I grabbed this on Amazon and I've been waiting a few weeks for it. I just want to go ahead and get straight into ripping this package apart. Kind of expected it to have like a fancy little box. It's all, maybe there's another box inside. Box, look at a box. So that's what we've got so far. I'm hoping there's another, oh yeah, there is another little box in here. Fun, okay. I don't want to mess up the box. I can do this without too much damage. Just go straight for this line and I think I'll be good. Would you just love me? Well, at least she is very secure. And she just open up. I am making progress. Should have just done that to begin with, huh? Maybe. Maybe, baby. Are we getting there? We're getting there. I was getting there, man. Son, you wouldn't know what to do with it if you had gotten there, so don't worry about it. I just want it to be open. Tried so hard, got so far, but in the end, it's gonna matter. All right, there we go. So we are finally in here. Yay! Oh, it is so cute. Okay, look at that. So there's our box, and there she is, looking so cute. Yeah. Probably gonna definitely keep the box. I love the illustrations on it. And there's that company name. And got some warnings and all the good stuff. Dun, 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 dun. Oh, I'm so excited. Okay. Yay. Oh my goodness. Okay, so I did not realize her clothes are so detailed. Let's see what's going on in here. I really hope I don't break pieces off like I did with my my Drossel Ninja. That was fun. Let's see. Okay, so, oh my, you're just too cute. Okay, so, oh, we have shoes. We have little shoes. The plastic is a little bit rigid, so I don't want to really mess with those too much until I get them on your little feet, but oh, they're so cute. Okay, and then we have our spare hands and the super awesome stand that she will go on. And this appears to be her little bush for her tail because she's got a little tail. And here's her other faceplate. Oh, okay. So, yeah, the painting is really nice. I do see a little bit of scuffs, maybe just dirt scuffs from the factory. That would be really easy to clean up with a little magic eraser, hopefully. But I do. The plastic feels really nice. It's PVC and it's light, but it feels strong. Got those little ears on there. Yeah, that is really cute. And of course, we have her. Let me just take her out. Okay, so right away, I'm just really loving her clothes. Her clothes are so cute and detailed. Oh, there's a booty. Yeah, of course it is that general cheaper material that they tend to sell like in dollar store clothes and stuff like that for the dolls, but it's still just so detailed. I love it. And she has got some really great posability. She feels so strong, like very strong. Let's see, I do love her little clothes so much. And it does look like there's a little bit of scuffing on the back there. That's okay. Let's see if we can get her tail put on. She does have this little hole that looks like it's the perfect little fit for her tail. It looks really good. Stays on there pretty good. It's kind of made like with one of those bendy sort of like wire cleaners or something. It's cute. Doesn't like, you know, feel the best quality or anything, but it's her tail. So it looks really cute. And then she has her shoes. Let's see if we can get her shoes on. I think that's actually the wrong foot first off, so maybe I should put it on the right foot. Oh, yep, I figured that was going to happen. So the plastic did break on the shoe. It's just really rigid plastic. You can't really get it up and around without kind of snapping it. That kind of sucked, but If I can, okay, there we go. So her foot is in there. And the shoe did break. And her tail fell off. Bummer. If I can kind of hide the fact that it broke there. Yeah, there was just no way that was going to get through without a little bit of snappage. Same thing's probably going to happen over here. Yeah, because the back of her foot is just so big that it's not going to go straight into this loop that they've created. So that would probably be mark 1, is the shoes are very cute, but the rigid plastic, I mean, you just have to break it off, basically. I don't even know if I'm going to be able to get that on there. Definitely trying with all my might. I think I'm just going to go ahead and do myself the favor and snap this just in the back. Maybe I should have just done that with the other one too. That way I didn't have to worry about breaking it on such a weird spot. Yeah, it's going to slip right in now. So I would recommend just cut the back of the shoe on the strap. And then hopefully we'll get her foot in there. Yes. So there's her shoes. Okay. And let's see, we've got her other face that I would like to put on. I am now afraid to try and pull anything apart too quickly because of the shoes. And I don't really see any information on getting the face off. I know what it's like on an Android. I don't know if it's going to be the exact same sort of system. It should just pull off. Let's see, maybe I can get an idea by looking at the other head. I don't want to, oh, okay. Well, oh, maybe that'll make it easier. Oh, yeah, there we go. So, oh. I don't actually see where I'm meant to pull this whole thing apart. Maybe you're not meant to. I don't really want to risk it and break her. So I'm going to see if I can just slide her other face in the way that that first one kind of came out. Just reverse the process. I don't want to break her. There we go. Yeah, the face just kind of snaps in there. So you don't actually have to pull any of that off. Oh no, I lost her collar. Okay, so let's see if we can get her head just back on in place. Oh, geez. Yeah, that's, ooh, this little neck piece is scary. I don't see myself wanting to pull that off very often. In fact, I think, yeah, this actually looks like a factory flaw in her neck. There is a huge slice out of the left-hand side to where this is not all the way connected. So I might try and contact the buyer and see how they feel about that specific piece there, because that's not very, that's going to definitely just snap. So yeah, I'm scared right now. Anxiety level 1,000. Okay. Yay. Yeah, I'm probably never going to take her head off other than maybe to try and get a photo of that so I can send it to the company. I'm hoping the video, I'll be able to get a good picture from the video because I really don't want to have to go through that again. She does have little knee joints and she has little arm joints so that you can kind of pose her to look pretty cute. And let's take a look at, we've got our other hands in here, which I actually really don't even want to lose those. I don't know if I want to take those out yet. I do want to look at the stand so I can show you guys how the stand works. She has magnets. Well, she should have magnets in her feet. It does look like one of the magnets is gone. Strike 2, 3, I don't know. Have to contact them about that one as well. This was supposed to be in brand new condition doll, and while she does appear to be in brand new condition, it looks like she didn't have the best quality control before she was sent out of the factory. So we'll see if I can get anything. I mean, if I can find the magnet, it'd be nice because then I can try and reattach it, but the magnet is actually not in any of the packaging at all. So, or maybe it's down here somewhere. No, yeah. So you would have magnets in both of her feet, and then essentially she would stand very easily. The other magnet just popped up as well. So yeah, the magnets, they weren't glued very well. That's kind of a bummer as well. Let's see. What's nice is these stands, you don't really need the magnets. They're just useful to have additionally. Just kind of pop these pieces together, and then this is what will grip her. Oops, that's the wrong side. Wait, what did I do wrong? I've done something wrong. This really should just pop on. Maybe the piece I put here was wrong. Yes, that is what it was. Okay. I don't want to, the plastic on this is really finicky. Really not want to push too hard, but I wish I could get that a little bit more on there. And then this piece, I really don't actually know. This must be for some sort of other posability that I'm not quite understanding. And then this should pop in right here. And now you've got this nifty little stand. There's multiple divots, so you can move which one you have the stand in. And then hopefully she will stay there. And try and get her tail back in. The hole isn't exactly the biggest, so it's kind of hard to get it to want to stay in place. I'm sure I could probably just put a little bit of glue on there and then she won't have the problem where her tail keeps poking out and popping off. Try and give her a cute little pose, and let's see how frustrating this ends up being. I'm not the best at trying to pose my dolls. I'm always afraid I'm going to break them. I don't want to push them too much. There we go. So there she is on her stand. Looks like maybe I'm going to want to move her back a little bit. It's quite a little stand for such a big girl. Oh, I guess you can't put it all the way back there. There we go. I may have put the stand together wrong. She doesn't seem to really be wanting to sit. Oh, there we go. See, I'm learning. I got this. I got it. Okay, so there she is. Standing and looking super cute. Yeah, I really like her. I think that it was very much worth purchasing. I do just have a few small complaints about this was really my fault. I should have cut that when I knew it was so rigid to begin with. I don't know how I'm going to fix that. But I like the quality, and she's really sizey. Like, kind of fits well in your hand. And I do like all the little extra hands there. Those are always fun to play with. I am sad that her magnets fell out. Let's see. I'm actually scared to even try and put these hands on her because sometimes that can be kind of hard too. Why don't we give her a cute little fist here? Just so I can kind of show you. Okay. The plastic on the hands is actually great. Great quality. There you go. Yeah, she is super cute. I don't know if I missed it. There might be a hole in that dress for her tail so that it's not kind of lifting it up. But yeah, I really like her. I think she's very cute, and I would definitely recommend buying this. Just cut the shoes first. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate you checking out this video, and I hope you'll like and subscribe and comment. Let me know how you feel about it if you want to see more videos like this. Have a great day. I know I am going to have a very great day.